Viewers, once again Khatija and I have got a very interesting experiment for you, and that is again with dry ice, and this time with soap bubbles. Very simple experiment, but it has got a lot of science behind it. First, let us do the experiment. In this experiment, we have a plastic bowl in which we have put pieces of dry ice. Now here we have a plastic bowl, and inside the white pieces that you can see are pieces of dry ice. As we have been saying all this while, dry ice is solid carbon dioxide, a material which is at a very low temperature, that is minus 80 degrees centigrade. Now our experiment is very simple. We have taken this bowl and we have put dry ice in this. So the dry ice is sublimating. That means it is turning from solid into gas. So there is a blanket of carbon dioxide over here, and we are now going to do, I am going to request Khatija to blow some bubbles on top of this. Please observe very importantly how the bubbles float on top of the dry ice atmosphere, and slowly how they grow in size. I will explain why it happens after the experiment. Khatija, please.
I have prepared the dilute solution of liquid soap, and with the help of using straw, I will try to blow it.
Here you can see one bubble floating over here. We will do this repeatedly 3 or 4 times, and you will be able to see that the bubbles are floating on top of the dry ice, because the density of carbon dioxide is more than that of air. Air is present in the bubbles inside. The density of carbon dioxide is almost 1.5 times more than that of air. That is the reason why the bubble floats for some time and the size keeps on increasing. Now this is very, very strange. How can the size increase? Charles' law, Boyle's law, all of them say that when the temperature is reduced, the volume should reduce. But in this case, the volume is increasing. Is this against those laws? Not necessarily. There is a lot of complicated science behind this, and this is called mediated transfer. That means carbon dioxide from the atmosphere is passing through the membrane of the soap bubble and going inside. This is a very important phenomenon in our human bodies and in other biological systems. Mediated transfer. This is what we wanted to explain today. Thank you.